Hi guys, I'm with Sanda, my high school classmate at andito na kami ngayon sa Victoria. Justice?
Yes.
Okay, so ngayon ang leg ng Spanish trip ko ngayon ay Basque Region. Sabi mo parang tomorrow pa tayo.
Sunday kasi bukas.
Sa akin ni buka.
Yes.
Oo.
Pero tonight, Saturday, all the bars will be full.
Okay, so we'll eat, drink, and be merry tonight.
We'll do as the locals do.
Then chill lang to guys, relax lang kasi dito na ako. Pinagod ako ng mga friends ko sa Manila. How many years have you been living here, Sans?
8?
8 years,
7,
wow.
8 years.
Fluent ka na mag-Spanish. See?
Poquito.
Pakito, wow. Ano tong place natin ngayon? Ito yung parang...
Calle Dato. The main street of Victoria. Pero
Calle Dato?
We're not in the place where there.
Kaya dato
The
is
bars.
rich? Dato?
No.
Bisaya.
Si Bato.
Oo nga pala. Kaya is, of course, street.
The name of the street.
Ano ibig sabihin ng dato?
Wala man.
Wala lang.
Nombre. There's no nombre. It's
So,
a name.
Ay, sa name.
So for my first night in Vitoria, pina-experience kaagad sa akin ni Sanda ang bar culture ng provincial capital ng Basque Region. We met up with her Spanish friends, Mano and Amaya, sa La Union, a bar that was established in 1910, guys. Grabe, ganun siya katanda. For some, aperitivo. If you watch my Madrid vlog, alam niyo nang mahilig sa inuman ng mga Espanyol. So usually, umiinom muna sila bago kumain ng dinner to whet one's appetite. Ito yung aperitivo. Di na ako nag-vlog kasi nahiya ako sa mga friends niya, but I think I had a sweet red wine here. After that, naglakad na kami to Los Arquillos. Isa siyang walkway na may 18th century neoclassical architectural structure, pero ngayon puno na siya ng bars and restaurants. Kitang-kita talaga dito ang drinking culture nila. We then proceeded to Restaurante Arcupe, a Michelin awarded restaurant for dinner. Arcupe meaning arch kasi located pala to sa isang 17th century historic building ng architectural feature ay mga arches or arcupe. Doon na rin kami nag-meet with Sanda's husband Oscar, and syempre before dinner, alcohol ulit. They offered a young wine straight from their own vineyard at ang unang dibs ay si Mano.
A mí me gusta. I like it.
So this is the stamp that it's denominación de origen Mami San. It comes from Rioja.
Necesito calientito de los moles. Lo ponemos por aquí.
Hongos
Ongosh?
is a kind of mushroom which is typical here. Ahora, ¿no? En otoño, in autumn, they appear in the mountain.
This year there are not
And
many
some people-
because of the rain. I mean, we've had a lack of rain till you came over.
This is the...
Lamb, litiruelas.
Oh! So, but why is it like a calamar?
From here,
Yeah,
the lambs.
You're right. Yeah. Glandula.
So is this a like a Basque food or...
Typical from here, from Vitoria.
Navarra también.
Okay.
En zonas de
Esto no es de
Navarra
España.
es lechezuela.
Sí.
Sí, en España dicen mollejas. En Bilbao son mollejas.
Pero en Bilbao también.
Pero también las ponen rebozadas. They are breaded also.
A ver, yo creo que lo de rebozos
Breaded lamb. Breaded lamb.
¿Cómo se llama?
Litiruelas.
Literuelas.
That's only in Vitoria. That's only in Vitoria.
This is French fries and this is pimientos. Pimientos del piquillo. Piquillo, they say. Pimientos del piquillo.
Las que no.
Steak.
Ay, eso.
This is a T-bone steak.
Sí, perfecto.
Yeah, muy bien, gracias.
So this is...
Bueno, pues.
The T-bone, yeah, they bring it. In some places they have the full meat and you cut it, but they cut it even better.
Let's see. I love the steak. And the salt. The salt.
Está guay, eso está guay. Vamos.
You are carnivorous.
Sí.
You love your meat.
Not that much, eh?
Good meat, ha? Good meat.
No.
The fish here is also good.
No. Even in Madrid, the seafood's fresh, even if there's no sea near it.
In Madrid.
Yeah.
It was Madrid. If Madrid pays, then they will get all the good. Now may market, so the good seafood comes.
Yeah, they said that the best fish is in Madrid. Pero bueno.
I'd rather eat pork than beef. I like, but
Yeah.
yeah,
You like
absolutely,
more pork?
absolutely.
No, we love our lechon.
I love our lechon.
I love both.
Ganahan ko ano siya.
So you can buy a jar of this because he loves this. So you buy a jar and you bring it
surprised.
to the Philippines.
Yes.
Surprised by what?
By the taste. It tastes familiar. I can't remember.
Yeah.
It tastes familiar.
Red pepper naman good na. Pero ilang na gisod pa. Dayon gi butangan o
Yo creo que le
ahos,
Tú lo sacas del bote,
olive oil.
haces unos ajitos. Un poquito. When you cook them, you slice some garlic in the pan and you put them, and then you add a bit of sugar.
Sugar also.
This is tarta de manzana,
It's made of
cake of apple,
apple,
and
banana.
manzana ahí.
Pero
and
tiene
tiramisu ice cream, I
helado
think.
de
tiramisu ice cream.
helado de tiramisu.
Manu,
And then this one.
Claro, es que no.
un segundito, voy a hacer una guardadica.
Cari.
Nata, crema.
A coconut?
No.
Ano, nata.
Nata.
Nata ice cream.
What the hell? I mean, baby,
Canela.
you're in Spain.
Cinnamon.
Lo siento.
No problem. You know, here in Victoria, the whole city is in a hill.
In a hill.
It is the hill we're coming up right now.
Okay.
The streets, these are the medieval streets.
Medieval street.
That's it.
Wow. You were able to preserve your buildings.
I mean, yeah, not the buildings, the streets.
the streets are the
Not
same.
the buildings.
Okay. So the
The buildings
streets.
are,
Okay.
they've remade them
Remade
and
them.
stuff. Okay.
A few moments later.
¡Firme ahí! Que esto es la Plaza de España, me cago en la leche. Esto es la plaza
Fotografía.
de España. Se ha muerto ya, España no existe.
Is this like the Plaza Mayor of Vitoria Gasteiz? Sí.
And there you have San Vicente and San Miguel.
San Miguel. Oh, the two cathedrals.
Yes, the two bell towers.
Bell towers. Wow. Ay, ang ganda. Medieval.
Ahora,
Medieval.
Ahora, por ejemplo, vas a ver
Oh,
la plaza en la,
La
cual
plaza,
en el año 1815 más o menos
de 1200.
los ejércitos franceses fueron derrotados
Ah,
por más o menos por la gente que andaba por aquí. Entonces, la gente que andaba por aquí,
Here in
entonces,
1800 something,
wow.
trying to conquer Spain, and they were losing, so they were in Vitoria, and they had a battle, and we kicked their asses. And they left to France. Napoleon.
Napoleon.
Esto es tierra de nadie. Mira, lo
So you
mejor-
kicked the
lo
French's
mejor-
butts.
Lo mejor que podemos decir de esta tierra es que es tierra de nadie, entre Francia y España.
Nice. Good morning! So may trivia ko sa inyo, yung Vitoria pala ang political capital ng Basque Country. At yung Vitoria, yun yung Spanish name niya, yung Gasteiz naman, yung kanyang Basque name. But ako hinihingal. Hinihingal na ako, hindi pa nagsastart kasi mamaya we'll just bike around the city together with Sanda. And who's this little boy? This little boy here, Javi. Can you say hi to my... Hi! Hola, Javi! So, yun. So, excited ako mag-bike. Yes! Vamos! Green capital of Europe. Ah, really? So, So yeah. 10 years ago, Victoria was the green capital of Europe.
Because of the natural parks,
Because of the parks here.
may bike circuit. Usually,
Natural parks and then may bike circuit daw talaga. Excited na ako as an athlete, guys. You know me, I'm an athlete. So I'm now ready to bike Abby. But I don't know how to use a helmet. Hindi ko alam guys kung anong shot niya yan. Feeling ko yung shot niya.
señores.
Let's bike! Let's bike, Abby! This is my bike! Okay.
No!
My bike! My bike! This one! This one! This one! Sabi mo, ang lapit! Freya? Freya. I want to ride this bike. Oh, you
No, it's mine.
Wear your helmet now. Wear your helmet. Go. Ah, here. Wear your helmet. Ay, nako, happy. The biking begins. Anyway, guys, hindi ko alam kung kaya ko, guys, pero ito ang ating adventure dito sa Victoria Gasteiz. We will race? Are we going to race? No. No. Ano sa dangerous? Wag. We're biking. Alam ko pa palang mag-bike. Ang ganda dito, guys, may bike lanes. Sana all may ganito. Sana sa Pinas may ganito. Ang saya. Ito yung gusto ko eh, yung ganito lang na travel. Yung chill lang. Like today, explore lang namin yung city. So ngayon papunta kami sa school ni Javi kasi papakita nila sa akin kung saan siya nag-school, which is just like a 5-minute walk daw from their house. O diba, hingal, walang exercise. So stop daw kami dito sa next. Where are we headed? Here. So stop here because... Oh yeah! Wow, wow, wow! Pero itong mga houses na to palagi daw maraming nagsushoot. For sure mga period pieces ng mga Spanish films. So usually laging close tong daan na to pag may location shoot yung mga pelikula dito sa Victoria Gasteiz. So this is Javi's school. The orange one. And then malapit lang sa school ni Javi yung office daw nung president ng Basque Country. At ito yon. So this is Javi's school.
Tres escaleras, 3 flights of stairs.
So third floor ka, Javi?
Second floor, but you
Two.
need to go through 3.
1, 2, and 3. So, di ba? How many minutes away from your house? 5 minutos?
5 minutes by bike.
5 minutos
Con la bici.
con la
Andando, bueno, 10 minutos. 10-minute walk.
10-minute walk. Oh, grabe guys, grabe. Sana all. Sana all. Sana all, Javi.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you, Javi, for showing me your school. Gracias. Okay, so we're going to the center na and we'll be in a park. Very first world. Bisikleta para sa park. Diba? Yes. Ah, okay. Copy. So you have to stay right sa bicycle lane. Diba? Fairness. Yun. Oh my God, ang ganda naman dito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Ay, Pilipinas. Hi, Philippines. So, yung biking namin ay nakarating na kami sa Florida Park. Florida Park. And maraming mga hotel sa area na to. So if you're going to stay here, like our friend did a few years ago, dito siya nagstay sa NH. Oo. Tapos, tingnan niyo sa likod guys, ha? Tapat lang ng hotel. O diba, parang parke lang ng Pilipinas. Ayan, oh. And sabi ng host ko, every weekend may baile din sila dito. So yung mga matatanda sumasayaw. So yung bailehan na uso sa atin, sa kanila nang galing. Bilang under tayo sa kanila for 333 years. So we just park our bikes. Right now you're going to show me your favorite store here in the city center. Where is it? That one? Why is it Alaves? Basconia. Di Basconia. Why is it your favorite store? Because Alaves is your football team. Okay, nice, Javi. Pero hindi ako nagpo-football, so hanggang nice, Javi na. Ang saya naman dito. Bike lang. It's downtown na. Para ka pang nasa fairy tale dahil sa mga building. So remember yung vlog ko nung first night guys. Dumaan kami dito habang lasing na lasing si Mano. Ito pa, ang ganda niya during daytime. Ano pangalan niya?
Virgen Blanca.
Virgen Blanca, White Virgin. Yun yung patron saint nyo sa Victoria. Next we'll go to where?
The Pinchos.
Pinchos.
A good bar under our house before, under our kiosk.
Okay.
I hope it's open.
Oh.
This is San Miguel.
San Miguel. So ito ngayon yung pupuntahan yung bar for the Pinchos. Tolonio. So now we're having our Pinchos.
In this case, we're trying the very typical Hilda. Hilda with the, how we called anchoa. This one, or the boqueron.
Nice.
So it's actually the same kind of fish. This one has the skin, and it's not dried like this one. But it has the olive oil, the guindia, and the anchoa. So the trick is supposed to be to eat it in one bite.
Okay.
Eat it all in one bite. If you can't, then at least get a taste of.
That's spicy,
oil-free.
right? That's spicy?
Oil-free. No, it's not spicy.
Okay, I'll eat it like locals do. This one?
Hi, this is bocadillo. Bocadillo de hamon. Hamon iberico. So that's the special ham. And this is the dried tomato with cabra, queso de cabra, goat cheese.
Goat cheese?
Ipan. Membrillo and nuez. Nuez is the walnut.
Walnut. And we are drinking with white wine. So perfectly paired with white wine siya.
Verdejo wine. So dry wine.
Okay.
Okay, let's enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, Abby. Cheers. Nice. Nice. So, I'll eat like how the locals eat this in one bite. Tama ba?
Hilda. Yes.
Hilda.
Good, no? Some mix of vinegar, salt, the spice.
Parang kinilaw. Yung fish.
Exactly. Yes, yes.
Raw ba
Wine,
yun?
come on, wine. And finish it off with.
I love it. Ayan guys, so we just finished our Hilda and other tapas, and of course may trivia na naman ako for you. Kasi usually daw yung mga Spanish or actually mga locals, ang ginagawa talaga nila, nagpipincho sila mga like 1 p.m. Kumakain sila ng tapa kasi they just wanna catch up kung ano nangyari sa kanila that day. And then kasabay na doon yung vino. And then after the first round of tapa, ayun, mga nakadalawa o 3 vino na inuman pa rin. But no, ito yung interesting trivia. Akala mo parang yun na yung lunch, diba? Kasi alauna eh. Hindi. Pre-lunch lang yun. Till after the tapa experience, uuwi sila ng bahay to eat lunch. So, yun lang. That's very interesting. At 3 p.m. Lunch at 3 p.m. So, that's very interesting kasi hindi ganun sa Pilipinas. Kasi like, honestly, this can be my lunch already. Pero hindi, pre-lunch pa pala to. So parang pre-game, kung mag-iinom, di ba may tinatawag na pre-game, ito pre-lunch pa lang to. Kahit nabusog na ako, mamaya pag uwi namin sa bahay, magla-lunch ulit kami. So that's my trivia for you. Of course, while walking, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, greenest city in Europe, ang Victoria. Green capital of Europe. So, ang kanilang Victoria sign ay green din. At syempre, dahil nandito na tayo, sana take a picture of me there. Sandali. Gusto ko lang sabihin na ngayon ko lang na-realize 5 years old pa lang tong si Javi. Marunong lang mag-bike ng 2 wheels. 9 years old na ako, alam ko eh. 5 years old. Hindi pala siya 3 wheels. 2 wheels sa bagets. Marunong lang mag-bike. Sana all. Sana all, Javi. Tingnan mo. Di ba pa-circo pa? Yeah, I'm videoing you. I'm shooting you, Javi. We're back. We're back to the home base. So ngayon, naiwan ako sa bata. Magnanani ako dito sa bata. Ilalaro daw kami ng football, guys. Guys, anong alam ko sa football? Where do we play? Jugar. Donde? Donde jugar? Aquí? Aquí? Come here. Oh, mama. Oh, pasa. Oh. Pahirapan natin ang batang yan. Natsagatsak lang. So, Javi. Ow! Ang sakit! Ouch! Mamamay na ako mag-cellphone, guys. Laro muna kami. Mahirap pala ito. So, we just finished our siesta. Yes, may siesta sila dito. At ngayon naman ay continue na kami sa aming rest of the activities for today. Pero itong batang to, ibebenta muna namin siya, iwan namin siya sa kanyang abuela. Abuela, lola, Coco, remember Coco? Abuelo of Lela, para makapag-inom kami. Grabing laid back dito, Sans. Kakasiesta lang natin. Eto, kape na naman. Ayun, di ba sinabi ko kanina yung mga na-observe ko na si Javi, 5 years old, marunong na mag-bike. O, ito pa, isang observation. Hot coffee to, pero nasa baso. And yun na nga, kaka-explain lang ni Sanda na actually typical sa kahit saan sa Spain. na yung hot coffee nila ay nilalagay nila sa baso. So, in other words, walang meaning. Basta mas enjoy din silang inumin sa baso kahit na mainit o kahit hindi makainom agad. Pero ito yung nakakatawa. Kasi, ang sabi ni Sanda, kapag alam nilang turista, nilalagay nila sa mug or cup kasi alam nilang yun yung typical na ginagamit ng mga other countries pag hot coffee. Pero tingnan mo naman, nilagay sa baso. Local yarn. Local si Sanda. Local na kami guys. So, inom natin yung kape kasi ang gagawin namin today is basically yung hindi namin napuntahan na part ng city center or ng Old Town. We are going to explore. So, ito kami mamaya. Dito na naman kami straight. Chill lang. Yun, usual. But chill lang. Siesta, laid back, Spanish, Spain. So, later. So, we're done with coffee. So, ngayon, i-explore na namin yung Old Town. Ayan, yung San Pedro Church. Ang daming church dito, Sans, no? And the irony is, kahit ang daming church, hindi na sila sagrado katoliko tulad ng Pilipinas. Isa pang nakaka-amaze dito, yung old buildings, diba? Yung loob nun modern. Pero tingnan nyo, old yung buildings, pero may modern escalator dito sa gitna para hindi mapagod yung mga taong umakyat. Grabe. Pag naglakad ka dito, na-imagine mo yung panahon dati. Now, we just found ourselves inside the museum na may World Press Photo exhibit daw. But look at the arches.
This is Montehermoso Palace, the Museum of Montehermoso. It was the former residence of the bishops. In the medieval age, the bishop used to live here.
So, ayun na nga, kakatapos lang namin sa museum. Hindi ko naman alam, nakaka-depress yung mga pictures doon. Mga tragedy around the world. And their recent pictures sa 2024. So, that adds to the, sad feeling while looking at the photos. So, ngayon naglalakad ulit kami ngayon sa Old Town. Almost 1,000 years ago, this is the walls of the city, right?
Yeah.
Because you are a walled city.
Yeah, it was a walled city. It has two circles. Yeah, this is reconstructed. This is not the original. There are other parts that you can find the original.
So we're inside.
We are intramuros.
We are Intramuros.
We are intramuros now.
Yes, wow. This is the what?
Santa Maria, the old cathedral of Vitoria.
Oh.
This is layers and layers over layers of architecture, beginning 1100 something.
So this used to be a what?
Like the same you see, but without the facade.
So you designed the facade.
We designed how to close it, this building in the middle, and how to connect with the old building there.
Wow. So Oscar is an architect. 2000?
2013 was the project, built 2015.
Yung civic center nila ay multi-sport na parang gym. Ayan o.
So the sun, when it touches, it's filtered by the brise soleil. We say brise soleil like in French, no? Brise soleil. Brise soleil like this, canopy, or how you say this horizontal things to filter the light. Yeah, just to filter, because if you're playing and the south is there, so the sun will, when it's sunny, it will enter the building.
Where are we now?
We are in Machete Plaza.
Okay.
La Plaza del Machete. Machete in Tagalog or Cebuano is the same, Machete.
Yes.
And the Machete is there. In that window we have the Machete. So we
Why
used
is there
to-
a machete there?
Because this is where we...
Behead the criminals.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God.
Yeah, the Machete is there. In case someone that don't behave good enough.
So this is where they're killed.
Yeah. This is San Miguel Church.
San Miguel Church in front
This
of
is
San
the
Miguel.
back.
It's in the church.
The machete is in the
Machete
church.
is there.
How do they behead the person? This
Up
is
there, that's the
out up
machete.
there. Who is that guy? Why is there a
That's Celedon,
Celeron? Who is Celeron?
our most famous character in the city.
Most famous character in the city. He has an umbrella.
Yes.
What? Why is it
Food. This is Celedon.
food and umbrella? What did he do?
This is in August, from August 6 to August 9. There's the Festival of the City. So there's a Muppet that hangs from the Tower of San Miguel with a cable, goes down to that building in front. And an actor will appear when the Muppet goes in and will cross this square and will come here to celebrate the party with all the Vitorianos and Vitorianas, and this square will be full with 3,000 people that you cannot fit, you are like this, to start celebrating the look.
You're here. I'm showing.
So now they are here where we are now. We are right now in this balcony.
Wow.
See, everyone is there. We are up there. And when the
when will
August,
6.
this is August 6.
6.
Every year you can come. August 6 p.m. here. See, and the Muppet,
Celedon is
this
going
guy,
down.
Celedon, with the umbrella, and we'll go to that window there. There's a building in front with this X. That's the flag of Victoria, white and a red X.
Everyone has been drinking already the whole morning, waiting for the Celedon here.
Yeah.
So Teledon is a
So the Celedon,
puppet?
it's a Muppet, but when it goes
It's a-
down, the Muppet goes in there. So now there's an actor.
And a real person
A
comes
real
out,
person that is also, I mean, you can see him in Victoria.
dressed like a Celedon.
Yeah, that it's like every 5-10 years we change.
Okay,
There's
okay.
a rotation
So
or
he's a
something.
cultural figure in the city that represents, he's a farmer, He's,
No, but maybe he works in a bank. I don't know. He's like me. I am the Celedon.
So this is the White Virgin and the patron saint of Victoria.
August 5. We
August
come with
5.
flowers, and this fence is full of flowers for the Virgin.
So ayun, after the city tour at night, we are having pinchos before going home and getting happy from his abuela. So what am I eating, Oscar? This one.
Tortilla de patata con chistorra. And torrezno.
The rest is kawali.
Lechon kawali.
Lechon kawali.
Good?
Crispy.
No.
Well, let's eat.